Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I am Simran Kaur, a regular video digital content creator. In case you guys want to go ahead and check my work, I will leave my Instagram account on the screen so that you guys can go ahead and check my work. Apart from this, I am a makeup artist. In case you guys want to glam up yourself on your third day or for a function, you can DM me on my Instagram account. For today's video, I'll be sharing with you some of my favorite products. I'll be also testing these products out with you guys and sharing with you how the application works out. I'm gonna try and cover every single thing, so it's going to take some time. Do watch this video till the end. Dr. Earth is a science-driven and natural beauty brand that develops clean and clinical prescription strength formulas. Their mission is to create cutting-edge products in India with exceptional ingredients, being cruelty-free and sustainable products at the same time. And 10% of their earning goes to deep care of natural conservation and girl-child education. Dr. Earth started with skincare products and now they do have some makeup products as well. I'll be starting off with some skincare products and then we'll go ahead with makeup products application. Also wanted to mention that I have applied nothing on my face, no skincare, no makeup. So this is my bare face without any makeup and skincare. So let's begin with the first product. The first product is the Daughter's Earth Plant Stem Cell Kombucha Succulent Gel Moisturizer, which is 50 ml of product, and I've used it so much that you can see it from the packaging as well. This is one of my favorite product from the range, and I feel like this is that kind of moisturizer which is going to keep you hydrated all day long. And when I apply this particular moisturizer underneath my makeup sat on so beautiful. It looks so stunning and my skin did not feel dry at all. Above all, this is best for all skin type: oily, acne prone, dry skin type, combination sensitive. This will work for all of you because this is such a beautiful consistency of a product. So once you apply this particular product on your face, you will see that it start drinking the product and it will just absorb into your skin so beautifully, and it will keep your skin super hydrated. You can see it by yourself. And this moisturizer is enriched with chebula, tara fruit, hemp seed, wild sea berry and hyaluronic acid, which is going to give you a punch of hydration onto your skin. Next up, I'm going to be using something on my face which is from the makeup category, and this is a newly launched product. I wanted to try this out and also share with you what exactly I do feel about it, and I think this pretty much is going to be in the list of my favorites as well. And you can use it as a conceal, correct or contour because they are super blendable, very creamy formula. They are extremely pigmented, and they have introduced like 3 shade, which is latte, cappuccino and mocha. Latte for fair skin tones, cappuccino medium to tan, mocha for dark skin. This product is enriched with cocoa butter and shea butter, and it has the ultimate moisture which is going to keep your skin hydrated all throughout. As I have 2 shades, cappuccino and latte, cappuccino will be used as a contour or just giving my skin that warmth, and latte will be the center of attraction as I'm going to be using it as a foundation and concealer as well. I'm going to be applying one half of the face with a beauty blender and other with the help of my fingers, and you can see the finish. Whatever you like to prefer, you can go about it in that way. I'm taking the shade latte. I'm going to warm up the product very nicely. It's really very pigmented, and I'm going to be applying it underneath my eyes. It definitely gives you coverage, but in a very natural way. So applying it around my mouth because I do have some hyperpigmentation, and that's I'm going to hide it using this concealer, and I see a good amount of coverage. All of these concealer are definitely made for Indian skin tones because they have that tinge of orange and yellow, would just cancel out all the hyperpigmentation if you have any, because I do have some. I really like the finish of this particular concealer, which really sits down so beautifully onto my skin, and you can see the coverage as well. You can apply it on your eyelids area as well, just to prep up your eyelids for further application of your eyeshadows. On the other side of my face, I'm going to be using a beauty blender on my face and see the coverage, and let's go about it. I'm just bouncing the product onto my skin because sometimes I'm rushing and I just don't want to disturb my hands, and that time beauty blenders comes to rescue. It definitely blends in so nicely, giving you such a beautiful natural sheen onto your skin, and the glow that you can see very well. It's not going anywhere, it's just staying in your skin. This side definitely has some more coverage, but this side looks very natural. At the same time, both the places looks very hydrated, and I don't really have any kind of problem regarding the hydration part. I'm using the shade cappuccino for that warmthness on my face. Do keep in mind, as they are made for multitasking, they do have a tendency of oxidizing onto the skin, so you can complete your look using a light shade of foundation or a concealer to finish up your look. I'm so obsessed with this product because you can see see that how much I have dunk into it, and the brushes strokes you can see have gone so deep in it. This is the Daughters Earth Glacial Nude Lip and Cheek Tint. The packaging is so stunning and very easy to travel with. I have to share with you that it looks super natural on your skin and stays for pretty long period of time because it's a creamy formula. I really like this particular shade for my cheeks and doesn't disturb the hydration level. You look very youthful, shiny and glossy, and that's what you need. You need to warm the product, apply it on the back of your hand, really nicely warm the product, and then apply it on your skin. Otherwise, if you're going to be applying this directly on your skin, this is going to disturb your foundation or whatever you have applied on your face. It's a beautiful concoction of brown and mauve, and it looks so beautiful on my skin tone, and I really like it how it looks like on my skin. They come in bunch of different shades, and I'm swatching all of these for you so that you can make up your mind whichever you want to go for. This side I'm going to be using a beauty blender. Again, I'm going to tap it off on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to be using the rest of the product. I'm not applying this particular product on my lips because altogether I have a different product for that. Next up, for that healthy highlighter glow, I'm going to be using Daughters Earth X Coralista Glow Goddess Illuminator. For that natural and glow from within sort of a highlighter look, I'm again going to warm up the product on the back of my hand and going to be patting that down onto my skin, and this is the kind of glow that you're going to get from your skin. Last but not the least, we have the Daughters Earth Atomic Red Phytonutrient Lipstick, and the other one we have is the Daughter Earth Jaspi Rose Phytonutrient Lipstick. The gold packaging is very attractive, and if you go very closely to your lipstick, you'll be able to see that they have mentioned a lipstick message: mind at peace, smile that win, and wind in the hair, etc. This bullet lipstick gives you an opaque coverage in one single stroke, very pigmented, highly moisturizing onto your lips. Feels very weightless, non-drying formula, 100% vegan, and total 7 shades are provided in this particular range. No artificial fragrances, and a very beautiful thing that I really liked, which was handpicked Kashmiri saffron for that brightening effect. For better understanding, I did apply the lipstick on the bare skin and also above the makeup so that you can make up your mind which one you would like to choose for yourself. And that's about it. Thank you so very much for watching the video till the end. If you really like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.